Today's lesson is going to be factoring binomials, sum and difference of cubes. And remember, binomials are two terms, and just like with difference of squares, difference of cubes, they're both cube roots. Like let's say x cubed minus 27. If you were to take the cube root of each term, that would give you x, bring down the sign, cube root of 27, 3. On each of these, you're going to have a smaller parentheses with two terms, then a larger parentheses with three terms. Now, once you've found the small parentheses, you can find the larger parentheses by doing this pattern. Square the first one. Then if you want to go ahead, square the last one. Now the signs, the first one is always opposite. So if that's a minus, this is a plus. The last one is always a plus or an add. And then to get the middle number, you're going to multiply those two terms. 3 times x, 3x. Now let's do another one. What about x cubed? We'll do a adding this time, plus 64. Same thing. Smaller parentheses followed by larger. Cube root of each of them. So x, remember, bring down the sign. Cube root of 64, 4. And then follow your pattern. Square the first one. Square the last one. Opposite sign, always plus. Multiply to get 4x. Now let's say they try to go a little bit meatier. 8x cubed minus 125. With a coefficient, it does the same way. You just have to be a little bit more careful. Because cube root of 8x cubed is 2x. Still bring down the sign, still 5 like normal. The difference is right here. When you square this, be careful. It's not 2x squared. It's actually 2x squared. So it's 4x squared. Now the end number is still the same, just square the 5. Opposite sign, always plus. Then to get the middle number, as always, going to multiply those two, 10x. Even if they try to be a little bit creative, and let's say 27x cubed plus 64y cubed. Still the same difference, just a little bit messier. Cube root of the first term, 3x. Bring down your sign. Cube root of the second term, 4y. And now do your pattern. Square the first one. So 3 squared, then x squared. Square the last one. 16 y squared. Always opposite sign. Always plus. Multiply the numbers in the middle. Now about the weirdest they can get, let's say they gave you 2x cubed minus 128. Well, neither of those are perfect cubes. However, if you take out or factor out a 2, that leaves you with this, which we've done earlier. Same thing, just leave the coefficient out there. Cube root of x cubed x. Let's bring down the sign, 4. Now square the first term, square the last term. Always opposite. Always plus, multiply the 4x, and there you go. Hope this has been of benefit to you. Please let me know if there's ever a topic that you would like me to discuss. Have a great day.